Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make payments on Contabo. So this one, we have 5 steps. Let's start with the first one, which is to access the customer control panel. So to do this, just go to the official Contabo website and log in using your customer ID and password to access the customer control panel, or the CCP. So Contabo does not use cPanel for billing. All payments are handled within the CCP rather. So next is to go to the invoices or billing. So in the main navigation menu, you just have to find and click on the invoices or billing section to view your history. So just look for any invoices marked with a status like unpaid, outstanding, or due. Next is to select invoice and payment method. So just click on the specific unpaid invoice that you wish to settle on the invoice page. So just click the Pay Now button and you'll be presented with various payment options like PayPal, credit card, Visa, or MasterCard, or any bank transfer. Next is to execute the payment. So just follow the prompts for your chosen method. Like for example, enter the card details or log into PayPal and confirm the transaction amount. So bank transfers can take several business days to process, like credit card or PayPal payments are usually instant. And lastly is to verify status and receipt. So return the invoices page. The invoice status should now be paid, and Contabo will also email you a payment confirmation receipt. So if payment fails, just check your stored payment details or contact Contabo support immediately to avoid service interruption. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!